Welcome back. Today we're going to continue with our Small Hands Change the World project. Last time we worked in our learning log and we planned out what we wanted our hand to look like. Remember, every student's making one of these hands and we are going to put them together by an image of the world. On this small hand you are going to include 6 things. We talked about the first 5 things last time. So today we're going to take and transfer those 5 things to our hand that we traced. So here that is. So I'm going to work at taking what I drew in my learning log, trying to make it neater and adding it to my hand. Some things I might do is I might make my lettering a little bit more fancy. So here I use block style instead of just plain single lettering. And now the next step is patterns that fill the space. These 4 patterns that we want to incorporate between the letters, we call that negative space or the empty space around an object. Each pattern is going to represent an emotion from the zones of regulations. So in my learning log, I have written the 4 zones. We have green, which is happy, ready to learn. Blue, which is bored, sick, sad, tired. Yellow, nervous, silly, frustrated. Red, mad, angry, scared, out of control. We would like you to think about a line or a pattern that could represent each of these zones. So green, maybe that's kind of a loop-de-loo line. We're happy, ready to learn. Blue could be bored, sick, sad. What kind of line would represent that? Maybe some very plain, straight lines. Yellow, nervous, silly, frustrated. Maybe that's a line that goes every which way. Maybe it has different types of lines within it. Mad, angry, scared, out of control for the red zone. Maybe that's a irregular zigzag line. Okay. Now that we have some lines planned, we're going to put those in the different negative space around our letters. Once you have your final hand designed in pencil, so I have my letters that fill my space. I have a pattern between the letters in the negative space. I have my 5 items about myself on my thumb, my pointer finger, my middle finger, my ring finger, and my pinky. You should raise your hand and your teacher will come check and make sure that you have done all those things. You can also double check for yourself, remembering your objectives and thinking about your fine motor skills. Have you done it neatly? And also your drawing skills. Have you drawn as neat as you can? Once you have it checked by your teacher, then you can use your Sharpie to trace over all of your lines.